Hey Pioneers, this is the machine Pec Fly. When you're doing this, it's important that you don't go too far back. So I want my starting position to be a little in front of me. And I need to maintain this slight elbow bend. It's not here, but it's not locked. It's got a little bend. To adjust the weight so that it's appropriate for me, I pull the pin and then I can also turn the knob to adjust by 5-pound increments. To make sure that this is a good level for me, I want it to be about armpit level. I can adjust the seat so that it goes up and down. Pull the knob. And move the seat. So this is an appropriate level for me, but now it's too far back because I also need to adjust the knobs up here. They need to match each other so that you're even. Pull the knob and adjust it so it's at an appropriate level for you. So for me, they're both on 2 right now. I can either hold it from here with my palms facing away from me and keep my elbow bend, or I can do palms down and hold it from here. It is your preference. Either way, the chest muscles up here will be working. Remember to breathe and keep your head back. Don't let it jut forward. And then keep your shoulder blades pinched together. Bring them together and back with control. Same thing if I use the ones in the front. Together and back. If I use the ones in the front, I might want these pulled back slightly. So now I have a more full range of motion. And that's the machine Pec Fly.